Hello everyone! Today I will be teaching you how to use the Transfer Alberta website. This is the best resource to determine whether courses you are currently taking or have taken in the past transfer to the University of Alberta. Let's start on the Transfer Alberta homepage. You'll want to scroll down until you see the Transfer Alberta search page on the left-hand side. Then you'll click this. This will take you to the search page. I recommend bookmarking this page for future use. On this first page, you can choose between checking whether your planned or completed post-secondary courses transfer, or you can choose to explore high school transitions or upgrading. For now, let's explore post-secondary transfer agreements. Next, you will be able to choose whether you would like to search transfer agreements for courses or for entire programs. For now, let's start by searching for planned and completed courses. On this page, you will be able to select the institution you would like to transfer from. Let's say you're currently a student at MacEwan University and you would like to transfer to the University of Alberta. You'll click the drop-down menu and scroll until you find your institution. Then you'll need to select the year you completed or will be completing the course you'd like to search for. For example, let's say you would like to search for courses you are taking in the 2017-2018 academic year. It is very important that you select the correct year corresponding to the year you took the courses, as transfer agreements can change. As you can see, you can choose next year, which is 2018-2019, if you want to see whether courses you will be registering in will transfer. You can also search past years' transfer agreements. Before I leave this page, I want to point out that you are only able to go back to transfer agreements from 2010 to 2011. If you took courses prior to that year, you may click this Transfer Agreements Archives page, where they have PDF copies of transfer agreements. Of course, ultimately, when you apply to the Faculty of Education, your application will be fully evaluated, and if you are admitted, you will be given a full transfer credit assessment. Now you'll select the institution you'd like to transfer to, so we will select the University of Alberta. The website has populated the full list of courses from MacEwan that have transfer agreements with the UofA for 2017-2018. You can sort by name and number, or by title if you prefer. If you've already selected some courses, you can also choose to view just those selected courses. If you know what course you'd like to search for specifically, you can click the filter button to find your class. For example, let's say you want to search for English classes. So you'll click right here and start typing it in. You can even click on multiple classes at once. So let's click on English 103 and English 104 at MacEwan. If a course that you would like to take is not appearing on the Transfer Alberta website, it most likely does not have a transfer agreement. It is important that the course code and title of the course you took matches what is on the Transfer Alberta website. The transfer agreements for the courses you selected will now appear. If the agreement notes that it transfers as a course that starts with an AU, this is referring to the Augustana campus course agreement. If you are hoping to transfer to main campus, you will want to ignore these agreements. Let's start by looking at the transfer agreement for MacEwan's English 103 course. As you can see, it transfers over as an English 1XX course. While this course does have a transfer agreement to the U of A, it is not close enough to a specific U of A course to transfer over as an exact course. By transferring over as an English 1XX course, this means it does transfer to the U of A, but as an unspecified junior level English course. If you'd like to determine if this could meet a degree requirement, the best guide you can use is our university calendar. More details on how to use this effectively are on the University Calendar how-to video. Now you can see that English 104 at MacEwan transfers directly as English 125 at the U of A. Let's go back to the start. Perhaps you have taken a specific program at a post-secondary institution and you'd like to see if the entire program has a block transfer agreement. You would click Planned or Completed Programs, then go through the same steps as before. So you would select your institution. Let's say you're a MacEwan student. You would select the year. Then you would select the institution you want to transfer to. As you can see, 2 programs appear for the year we have selected. Let's say you took the Early Learning and Childcare Diploma. You can actually see that there is an agreement for this particular program that allows 30 credits of transfer credit towards the Bachelor of Education elementary route. Before we finish, I want to highlight some of the features of the Transfer Alberta website that you might find useful. You can actually download your results, and this will save them as a PDF document if you'd like to save a particular agreement. So you click this Download Results button right here. You can also save a search right on the website so you can come back to it if you're on the same computer. So you click this Save Search button. Thanks for watching. If you are a prospective student and have any questions about the Faculty of Education or the Transfer Alberta website, please contact our prospective student advisors at edrec@ualberta.ca.